এবিপি আনন্দ, এগিয়ে থাকে, এগিয়ে রাখে।
मित्रों, माँ, मानुष माटी, माँ माटी मानुष का नारा लगाने वाले आज तोलाबाजी, तुष्टीकरण, कटमनी और तो छोड़ो सिंडिकेट के रूप में कोयला चोर, चाल चोर, चाल चोर
engage in public duty. Public servants do not engage as political workers. Public office, public vehicle, public infrastructure is used only for public purpose and not for political purpose. I am sure people of state of West Bengal and those concerned with organizing elections would take note of it, make their contribution, so that we set an example in the country that the state of West Bengal has elections that make any democratic nation proud, and that is the culture of the state of West Bengal. Very frequently a question is asked, elections are to be organized by a body under the constitution, and what is the role of the governor? Undoubtedly, we have a very strong mechanism in the country. The body created for handling elections, managing elections, Election Commission of India, is fully competent. But every citizen has a role. As Governor of State of West Bengal, my oath of office says I have to preserve, protect, and defend Indian Constitution. And Article 159 further says I have to serve the people of the state of West Bengal to the best of my capacity. I firmly believe governance has no meaning in democracy unless elections are through pure mechanism. Elections are in accordance with law. As Governor of the state of West Bengal, I have no political inclination. I am not a stakeholder in politics. I am not concerned what political parties do. They are of their own mindset to engage into any activity they wish to. My only concern and serious concern is that the entire processes and procedure should not run foul to law. It must not trample constitution. It must not be against rule of law. Friends, ever since I have been Governor of the State of West Bengal, every day is a day of enriching myself. I am at a land which is epicenter of culture. I am at a place where heroic deeds are remembered. My heart therefore pains, my heart bleeds that ignoring constitutional provisions, पश्चिम बंगाल में मां भारती के सपूत को बाहरी कहा जाता है क्योंकि वो पश्चिम बंगाल की भूमिका नहीं है। मुझे पीड़ा होती है। प्रीएम्बल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सेज वी द पीपल। जब जलियांवाला बाग में द टेरिबल मैसेकर हुआ, कवि गुरु रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर हजारों किलोमीटर दूर ही रिनाउंस्ड हिज टाइटल। क्यों? हम सब मां भारती के सपूत हैं। We are foot soldiers. We believe in our unity. No person living in this land can be an outsider. And that being so, I appeal to everyone